Alright guys, here's the new fan in my dining room. Like about a month ago I made a video saying I was going to replace it, the Casa Vega Hellhurst fan, because it's just suddenly stopped working. So here's a River of Goods Leonie ceiling fan. I think I pronounced it right. Alright, here's the light. Here's low. I think this looks really good in here. Here's medium. Yeah, this is a really pretty fan. I honestly like it better than the previous one, if I'm gonna be honest. Alright, now here's high. Alright, that's it for this video. Alright, bye.